Hello, I'm John Paul and I'm here at Rimmerbros today to fit two Bonnet gas struts on this Freelander 2. There's two gas struts that hold the bonnet up on this, there's one each side, and they're fairly easy to change. Here's the new one here. There's just a ball and socket on each end of the ram, and there's a little metal clip that actually hooks it in around the actual ball socket itself. So to remove it, if you just get a screwdriver, there's a little nick in the back, little screwdriver, and just support the bonnet while you do it, either by your shoulder or with somebody else. And if you just pull the clip forward, that will just slide out, and then you can pop the gas strut off this little ball socket there. Do the same with the lower one, so it's out of the way. And just get the new unit. Fairly simple. You don't need to take the metal catch off on this one because it will just slide past. So pop it on the ball and on the bottom one, and then that's all done. Just trying to show you how easy this job is. You can see the metal clip inside the socket there, and it's the metal clip there that hugs around the ball that's on the bonnet and on the chassis. And here's the little groove in the back. You just flip your screwdriver into there, and if you prise it open a little bit, you can see then it opens the metal clip, and that allows you to just pop it off the ball socket. And then the same, to pop it back on, you just push it over, it spreads them automatically and clips on the ball.